Narrator, once upon a time, in a remote village nestled deep in the mountains, there lived a young man named Taro. He was facing a serious problem. Taro, how can I help the villagers during this difficult time? Narrator, Taro decided to venture into the forest in search of a solution. Taro, what lies deep in this forest? I hope something good will come of this. Narrator, as he walked, Taro saw a strange, glowing light. Taro, what could this be? Narrator, Taro approached the light and found a beautiful hat. Taro, this is amazing. But why is it here? Voice of the hat, I am the hat of 8 transformations. When you wear me, you can transform into 8 different forms. Taro, what an incredible power. Narrator, Taro took the hat and returned to his village. Villager A, Taro, we are running out of food. Can you do something? Taro, perhaps I can use this hat. Narrator, Taro put on the hat and transformed into a large bird. Taro, as a bird, I can fly to the far mountains and gather food. Narrator, Taro successfully gathered food and returned to the village. Villager B, thank you, Taro. We can survive for a while longer. Taro, it's all thanks to this hat. Narrator, however, the village still faced challenges. A band of thieves attacked the village next. Villager C, Taro, thieves are attacking. Please help us. Taro, I will use this hat to defend us. Narrator, Taro donned the hat and transformed into a strong wolf. Taro, as a wolf, I will protect the village. Thieves, what is this wolf? Narrator, thanks to Taro's bravery, the thieves fled. Villager D, Taro, you are our hero. Taro, it's all because of this hat. Narrator, with peace restored, Taro looked at the hat once more. Taro, how should I use this power? Voice of the hat, Taro, this power is meant to help people. Never forget that. Taro, I understand. I will continue to use this hat to help everyone. Narrator, and so, Taro used the hat of 8 transformations to protect his village. His courage and wisdom became the stuff of legend. Narrator, Taro remained a beloved hero in the hearts of the villagers forever.